Let's start with who we are and what we do. To my friends and family, I say that we help replace humans with robots. And while that's true to a certain extent, let's go a little bit deeper. In brief, we are a services company who help consumers and producers of industrial automated systems save money. We do that by finding flaws or inefficiencies of industrial automated systems and help fix these flaws much earlier in the design process. In our world, both the seller and the buyer of industrial automated systems want a certainty of outcome. The buyer needs to innovate. That is, they need to increase capacity, reduce their reliance on human capital, or use a new technology they've never tried before. They want to know that what they're buying is the right thing to buy and that it will work the way it's supposed to. The seller wants the buyer to be satisfied and profit while taking the risk of selling innovative solutions. We help shine a light into this darkness of uncertainty. Let's think about it over the life cycle of a project in 3 parts. Early on, we help identify what automation investments will yield the highest return so the buyer can rationalize the expense of further design. Second, during detailed design, we can speed up the innovation process by testing and improving future systems before they're built. And third, once the design is complete, we help test and validate the computer code that will eventually control these systems in real life. It's important to note that we are an agnostic party. We don't get commission when someone buys more equipment or selects a certain vendor. We build trust with both sides of the transaction by providing objective insights into what each side can expect. Our team has a blend of backgrounds from mechanical engineering, industrial engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and data analytics. So, how do we do what we do? Well, that's a topic that will require a longer episode than this. So, in short, we recreate or create for the first time the candidate system in a virtual world. As the design progresses in level of detail, so does the digital version of the system. Along the way, we test, we measure, and we refine the system design until we're happy with the results. When we find issues, we can address those issues early in the process and apply solutions in minutes or hours. So why do we exist? We help our clients save money by finding and fixing issues, including potentially catastrophic issues, earlier in the design process than they otherwise would. We are a catalyst to the innovation process. Let's end on a philosophical note. I believe that advancements in automation are a necessity to continue to improve the human condition. Automation and robotics will reduce the costs of accessing necessities, luxuries, and new products we humans wish to consume. But innovation comes at a cost. The risk of failure always exists. We seek to minimize that risk and get complex industrial automated systems to market faster, with a higher return on investment, and with a lower risk of failure. Have a question? Drop us a line at info@autointel.io, and we'll see you next time.